Hello, I'm Chola Rances and she's my groupmate, Justine Uy. Now I will discuss our project. Our topic is an analysis of the information system needs of the Faculty Association membership management of the Salle College of St. Benilde. Our company background in organizing for improvement. The name of our company is thus Incorporated, a worldwide business that makes our business lively connected. It is a web security business that offers wide variety of application that can be used in building business. The main office is located at Makati Avenue, Philippines. More than 200 million users worldwide count on TAS Incorporated web security for their security, performance, and confidentiality. Guard is a branch of web security that protects personal information and makes their devices immune to viruses and malware. From individual, home-based business and company, Thus Incorporated is the best choice. The company was first introduced in the 2000 by the students of De La Salle College of St. Benilde. It is planned to use for the web information security of the Faculty Association. Fortunately, it's been commercialized in the industry and been known by many. TuneGuard is an award-winning product, another creation of Dust Incorporated, that protects and checks the personal information and files of a business. There are other companies that also provide web security for businesses. Having this kind of situation is normal because the world of business is gradually introduced in the society. Our statement of the problem. The business is focused to provide more reliable web security to the industry. It's been chosen to use in the Faculty Association of the La Salle College of St. Benilde because the number of professors is increasing and proper monitor the action of faculties, but there are problems that still need to be considered when this is implemented. Number 1. Some faculty members are not good in using such technology. Number 2. It needs higher budget and more expensive computers. Number 3. Some faculty members may not in favor in this proposal. Lastly, the implementation of security may take time, a minimum of 1 week. Faculty members should be more careful with their actions regarding their attendance, schoolworks, and personal information. Unnecessary sites visited by the faculty members will be detected by the system. This system is useful in our society, Benilde to monitor the actions of the faculty members. A more systematic system will lessen the malfunction of the sites like Moodle and SIS. Objectives of the system. The security system should be implemented correctly and smoothly. This should be done with a maximum time limit of 2 weeks. When this will be implemented, it will lessen the error in the sites of Benilde. If error would appear, the system will detect it easily and will find solution to the problem. Passing the reports and necessary papers will be a lot easier, but gradually it will detect professor who doesn't follow rules. It will give more reliable information. The main objective of this system is to monitor the actions of the faculty members and provide more web security. Significance of the study. This system will help the customer to browse surf more safe in the internet for the Department of Dust Incorporated will be known to society. Of course, when more companies and people tend to buy the product, its price will also increase regularly. Scope and limitation. The system will only monitor and protect the web security and giving of information safely. It will not change any information, will not help to avoid robberies, will not be an alternative solution to the nurse. Definition of term. Thus Incorporated is the company that provides security system among the companies in our industry. TuneGuard will secure the information and will lessen the scammers in our society.
Chapter 2, Analysis of the Existing System. So here's the geographic flowchart which shows the steps on how to complete and become a member of the faculty association. First is to get a copy of the application form. Second, obtain copy of birth certificate. Third, get an updated medical certificate. Fourth, complete personal data sheet. Fifth, photocopy of official transcript of records. Prepare for an interview and wait for approval of the membership. For the process walkthrough, for the first is the system admin must provide a copy of the membership form. So the applicant must be a full-time or a part-time faculty to be a member, and a total of 300 pesos fee must be paid to become a member. Applicant must complete all information that's required. Next is the birth certificate. So here's an example. And then applicants must present a birth certificate at the time of application. Next is the medical certificate. An applicant must submit a medical certificate to show that he is healthy or has health issues, so the members of the faculty can be informed. Next is to complete the personal data sheet. An applicant must complete a data sheet to show proof of identity. And the official transcript of records. An applicant must show proof of of his or her educational background. Process time versus cycle time. So the first activity is to get copy of an application form. The process time takes minutes while the cycle time takes 20 minutes. Second activity is to obtain copy of birth certificate. The process time 5 minutes and the cycle time 2 days. Third is to get an updated medical certificate. The process time takes 5 minutes and the cycle time is 3 days. For the complete personal data sheet, the process time takes 10 minutes, the cycle time is 1 hour. Fifth is the photocopy of official transcript of records. Process time is 5 minutes, and the cycle time is 1 day. Sixth is preparing for an interview. The process time takes 10 minutes, and the cycle time 30 minutes. And lastly is to wait for approval of the membership. The process time takes 5 minutes, and the cycle time is 30 minutes. So in total, the process time takes 50 minutes while the cycle time is 6 days, 2 hours, and 20 minutes.
UML diagrams of the existing system. Use case diagram. There are two main actors in this diagram. These are the applicant and the admin. And the use cases are get application form, obtain copy of birth certificate, get updated medical certificate, and complete personal data sheet, and get photocopy of official TOR, prepare for an interview, and then wait for approval approval of membership. Use case index for the existing use case diagram. Use case ID number 1. Use case name, get application form, the primary actor, system admin. Use number 2, obtain copy of birth certificate, primary actor, applicant. Number 3, use case name, get updated medical certificate, the primary actor is the applicant. Number 4, complete personal data sheet, the primary actor is applicant. Number 5, get photocopy of official TOR, the primary actor is the applicant. Number 6, prepare for an interview, the primary actor is the applicant. And number 7, wait for approval of membership. The primary actor is applicant. Activity diagrams index for the existing use case diagram. Existing system. The applicant will get a copy of application form. Ay, nawala. Shit, sorry.
Chapter 3, uh, Analysis of Proposed System. Table of Recommendation. Problems needs to be addressed. Taken from the statement as a problem. Number 1. Hacking, login options, and faculty members should improve their skills in computer. Recommended improvement or change. Number 1. We should secure the privacy settings so that no one will be able to hack our account. Number 2. We should have at least 3 security questions to be answered by the owner of the profile. Number 3. They should attend short-term computer classes. The reasons for not complying with the required outputs for this chapter. Number 1. Not enough budget to supply the needs of the company. No enough time to complete the requirements. This is the requirements traceability matrix made by our group. Um, in this use case index, um, number 1, uh, we we should buy we should place a bid for the software for the ITD of De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Then we will purchase it and we will give a security account, um, and we will provide listings, provide feedback, and we will ship the item.